So, why do you think they call this the Fire Temple?
Ha! It is a bit toasty, yeah.
My temperature is being kept stable at 98.6 degrees.
Aw, man. Why couldn't I be part air conditioner?
A few moments later.
What do I do? What do I do? What do you do, Cole? You don't give up.
Whoa! Cole! Is that you?
Just picking you up to return the favor.
You possess the snow!
Yeah, I guess I did.
First we get Cyclone Doe, then we get a ghost on our side!
'Tis good to see you smile.
All right, so we're down 3 mechs, but we're up in spirit. Still, how are we gonna catch up? We lost a lot of ground.
How about we see what else I can do?